Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our McLaren University's employee account. So let's get started. So to log into your McLaren University's employee account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for McLaren University login for employees. After searching for that, now what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which says McLaren University. And from here you can log into your account. So to log into your account, now what you can do is just simply enter your username. After entering your username, now you can enter your account's password, and after entering your account's password, now you can just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot your password. After tapping on forgot your password, you can easily reset or recover your account's password, and after recovering your account's password, you can just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created. After entering the new password, what you can do is just simply tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to sign into your McLaren University's learning account. So that's it guys, this is how to sign into your McLaren University's employee account. What you can do is just simply So that's it guys, this is how to log into your McLaren University's employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.